Okay, so let's take a look at the discussion board that you're working with for today. So you can see, or at least this is what I see. I cannot see your specific student view here. So hopefully everything works out with this. Okay. So it's been organized according to four groups. So the computer generated the groups randomly. So you get to talk to someone different than you talked to last time. Um, this was formatted, configured under group discussion. So when you open up the discussion board, you should be led to your group. And once you post, you should see who's on your group. Okay. And after you post, then you can reply to each other just the normal way. Okay. So that's the theory behind this. Okay. We'll see if it works. It should work. Um, we'll go from there. So you should be working with a group of people with your proposal. Okay. And so here is the specific prompt. Okay. Again, pick one of these ideas. Here are the writing projects here that you're going to pick from: A, B, C, D, E. So you have 5 writing projects to deal with. The first two use Plato's Parable of the Cave. Okay, so we're always working with in an intertextual way with texts that we've previously worked with. So here we're using the Parable of the Cave and specifically the 10-scene organization that we came up with. And what you're doing is substituting Nietzsche as the prisoner who escapes the cave. And then you want to show through this how Nietzsche would react, how he would see the cave, how he would react to it, okay, based on your reading of the Nietzsche text, okay? So the parable of the cave, as I said before, every generation, Plato and Socrates created this parable of the cave, but every generation has a different version of the parable of the cave. Every generation sees the cave and sees the struggle and the enlightenment in the cave in a different way through different categories. Okay, so you want to try to imagine Nietzsche in this cave and how he would react. Okay, what would be his categories for the cave itself? What would the cave look like? The cave is this prison, right? So, what's a prison for Nietzsche? What's a prison for Nietzsche is what is different from what's a prison for for Socrates or Plato.